These are done. This looks so good right now. Go ahead and try this out right now.
Add them dry. Now, if you look at these two, they're pretty different in size, right? This one's humongous, probably weighs twice what this one is. I then like to start at the back here, and I like to just do a shallow cut, and then I put my knife in at about a 30-degree angle, and I just start cutting gently against the skin. But now what we want to do is we want to flip it over, and there's a little bit of bone meat sitting right here, so we want to give that a quick little trim. That's pretty much that. That's one pork tenderloin done. Just gonna put as much salt on here as you would normally season this with. I'm just using Morton's kosher salt here. All right, so those guys are done. I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna pop them in my fridge. I'm gonna let them sit there for about 3 hours.
Take the stem off. We then want to take a knife and we just want to split it in half, right? So there's the seed there. Notice that there's no seed. We're going to take this, we're going to pop it in a bowl. We're then going to take our knife and we're going to pop this guy out. We're going to pop it into this bowl and we're going to end up doing this to all of these. And as soon as they're done, I'm going to show you what the next step is going to be. All right, and here are our cherries. Add half a cup of chicken stock. We're also throwing in a little bit of star anise. All right, so this is good now, as you can see. So let's go ahead and try this out right now. It's very good. It's nice and tart. It needs a little bit of sugar, and it needs some time for the star anise to go ahead and sit in here. But honestly, I think this is great just where it sits. Our egg is ready to go. We're sitting right about 225 degrees. You may wonder, why am I temping the large one? I'm temping the large one because I'm not as concerned about the smaller ones getting cooked all the way through. They'll just have more smoke, but I really want to make sure that this large one hits the 120-degree temp that we're shooting for.
All right, everybody, it's done. Let's go ahead and pull it off. All right, everybody, here's our smoked pork tenderloin wrapped in about half a pound of bacon. We then went ahead and took some string, wrapped around it, and trussed it so that the bacon didn't fall off during the cooking process. If you want to see more about this, please go ahead and leave a comment down below.
Get the grill up to about 600 degrees. Ooh, look at those. There we go. All right, everybody, I bet these guys are done. Oh, yeah. Look at those. Looks fantastic. This looks so good right now. Let's go ahead and get it inside. We're going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to take the string off, and we're going to slice right into it. All right, everybody, here we go. So this is the finished product. This is a reverse seared smoked pork tenderloin that I then wrapped in apple smoked bacon, seared off in the big green egg, let rest, and we're going to serve it with a homemade, we picked the cherries ourselves and let them sit, cherry compote with a little bit of star anise and a little bit of chicken stock reduced all the way down. It tastes amazing. Let's go ahead and see how it goes with this pork. So we want to go ahead and start the slicing process. So here we go. That looks pretty good to me. Let's go for the center. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect medium plus, right around that 150-degree mark I was shooting for. Let's go ahead and give it a taste and see how it is. Oh yeah, look at that. You can see where the hole is from the meter probe that we had in there. Let's go ahead and try this with some of our compote. This looks so good. Look at that. Look how it just cascades off of there. I can't wait anymore. I got to try it. Oh my God. I don't have words. This is so good. I got to try it again. I can't wait anymore. That salty bacon is just perfect with the smoke. And this, the cherries with this, it is just, oh my God, it is so amazing. Let me do it one more time. Look, it's like a little cup. I can pick up a little cup right here. Oh my gosh, is this good? Okay, this is definitely going to be a new. I think we're going to do this again around Thanksgiving time. I think that we'll go ahead and we'll see if we can do a 2.0 with this. Let's see if we can make this better. Anyways, if you guys like this kind of content, please go ahead and smash that like button. Leave whatever comments you want down below. Tell me what you think. Did you like this? And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And as always, have a fantastic barbecue week.